Hi friends, welcome back. We continue with our topic on trigonometry. If you remember, in the last session we had solved a problem that was related to T ratios. We will continue with that today. We will do another problem of similar type, just that the wordings are slightly different in the question. Now, if you remember, this was the question that we solved last time. If sine A is equal to 8 by 17, so they give you a ratio, right? So, but in this question that we're going to do today, you will not see the question in this format. It will be something like this. If 12 sec theta is equal to 13, okay, so it is actually the same format. I'll just mention here. Here it says 12 sec theta is equal to 13, right? This is nothing but sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, right? So now this becomes the same pattern that we did last time for sine. If you remember, sine A or sine theta is equal to 8 by 17, which is a fraction, which is a ratio. Here too we have 13 by 12. So you just have to convert that to a fraction. So we'll get started. So first we says 12 sec theta is equal to 13, which means sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Okay, this is what is given, a ratio. And we are supposed to find out all the other T ratios, which means we need to find out sine, cos and tan, and also find out cosec. Sec is already given, so cot, right? 5 T ratios we have to find out. Now, naming, this is theta, so you can take theta either here or here. I prefer to take theta here. I prefer to call this A, B, and C. It's up to you to decide where do you want to start from. Okay, so I have A, B and C. B is the right angle. This is theta, what I'm going to consider here, right? Let's say sec theta is equal to 12 by 13. Let's break this up. What is sec? Sec is the reciprocal of cos, right? So cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, so sec will be, sec theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent, right? Hypotenuse divided by adjacent. We know the sides. Hypotenuse is, what is hypotenuse? Is AC, and with respect to theta, adjacent is AB, right? Now we also know the ratio sec theta. The question is given 13 by 12. Last time I did mention that you can't say that AC is equal to 13 and AB is equal to 12, because 13 by 12 is a ratio, it is not the actual fraction. So we need to write something like, let AC equals 13K and AB equals 12K. This is what we will be writing. And where, what is K? Where K is a constant. So we know AC is 13K, AC is 13K, and AB is 12k. Okay, so now what we have to do is we need to find out the missing side. So two sides are given, we need to find out the missing side. Okay, so here we will have to use the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what does Pythagoras theorem say? It says that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, which means sum of opposite and sum of opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse squared, we know what is hypotenuse. It's 13. Hypotenuse is 13k, so we write 13k the whole squared is equal to, opposite is what we need to find out, so we will keep opposite as BC, the opposite side BC squared. Adjacent, we know AB is 12k, so 12k the whole squared. Okay, so now we have 169 k squared is equal to BC squared plus 144 k squared, right? We'll bring this 144 to the side, so 169 k squared minus 144 k squared is equal to BC squared. 169 minus 144 is 25. So 25k squared is equal to BC squared. Or you can say BC squared is equal to 25k squared. Hence BC is equal to square root of 25k squared, and that is equal to 5k. So we've got BC as 5k. We're going to substitute here 5k. So now we have all the three sides. We have adjacent is 12k, opposite is 5k, and hypotenuse is 13k. Now we need to find out all the trigonometric ratios. So let's start with sine. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, which is AB by AC. We know what AB is. AB is 5k, AC is 13k, right? K and K gets cancelled, and finally you have 5 by 13. So that is sine. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB. Okay, sorry, sine is opposite is BC. Got it. So this is BC. This is AB. Adjacent is AB, and hypotenuse is AC. So this will be 12k divided by 13k. K and K gets cancelled, so 12 by 13 is the value of sine theta. Same with tan theta, opposite by adjacent, opposite is BC, adjacent is AB, opposite is 5k, adjacent is 12k, K and K gets cancelled, so we have 5 by 12. Since we have sine, cos and tan, it's easy to find out the inverse of this. So cosec theta will be equals to 1 by sine theta, and we know sine theta is 5 by 13, so this will be 13 by 5. You just have to inverse that. Sec theta is actually given in the question, but if you want you can write it. Sec theta is 13 by 12. Right? And then we have cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta is 5 by 12, so this is 12 by 5. Okay, so we